Today we're diving into Moises, an AI-powered music separation tool that promises to take your music production to the next level. But does it really deliver on that promise? Let's explore what this app has to offer and see if it's worth your time. Moises is designed primarily for musicians and producers who want to isolate individual elements from audio tracks. The core functionality revolves around its ability to separate vocals, drums, bass, and other instruments from mixed tracks. You simply upload your audio file and the AI does the heavy lifting in a matter of minutes. The user interface is fairly straightforward, making it accessible even for those who aren't tech-savvy. However, while it's easy to navigate, I found the processing times can vary quite a bit depending on file size and complexity. One standout feature is the ability to adjust the volume of separated tracks, which is great for remixing. However, I noticed that some users have reported mixed results with certain genres, particularly when it comes to complex arrangements. Overall, while Moises has a solid concept, there are areas where clarity on its limitations would help manage expectations. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, Moises is incredibly user-friendly and offers impressive audio separation capabilities for many tracks. It's a fantastic tool for anyone looking to practice, remix, or create new music from existing songs. However, there are some frustrations to consider. The biggest one is the inconsistency in output quality. Some users reported that certain files don't separate as cleanly as expected. Additionally, while the free version is a nice touch, it does come with limitations that might push serious users towards a subscription. For beginners and casual users, Moises can be a fun and useful tool. But if you're a professional looking for flawless separation every time, you might want to explore other options. In conclusion, Moises is worth trying out, especially if you're a budding musician or producer looking to experiment with music separation. Just be aware of its limitations and the potential for mixed results. If you need absolute precision, you might want to consider alternatives that offer more consistent performance. Happy music making!